gonna be opening this match. First attack to Tagaod. Puntos kagad.
Totoo na napansin yung mga wingers nila eh. Lalo na meron Bakaket si Tagaod ang nauna dito.
Tsaka kung makikita mo, may Dapol na kalaban at may Bedonia. Talagang kailangan nilang patibahin yung depensa nila. Hayaan mo siyang dumiskarte kesa yung mabilis.
Bawi naman. Second try, that was too close to the net. Point goes to the Tamaraws.
That's the team captain, Razel Aldea or si Dea. Tawag nila.
At coach mo, si Coach Knowles.
Oo. And that is an ace coming from Mitzi Panangin.
Teka nga, dadalhin ko nga muna ibibigay sa backline.
Kailangan nahanapin mo yung kung sino yung pinakamahina na rumisip. Pero kanina kung mapapansin mo, nakakuha siya ng service ace dun sa down the line
Ng FEU. Activate din namin yung middle namin.
That's another ace this time coming from Kisha Bedonia na dumidepensa. That is something the Lady Tamaraws would like right here. In the meantime, Okado was rejected. Rather, Umipan was rejected. On the first look, kikita mo seryoso, di ba? All business. Pero pag gitna pala pinuntahan.
Makikita mo kasi yung dalawang attacker, andito na, nasa gitna na yung play nila.
Tulad nun.
And it resulted to a 3-point lead being enjoyed by FEU right now. Back row, Tapol, no. Tagaod, wala just. It's Perpetual helps turn. Joust at the net, ball is still alive. Ubaldo, no, she fakes that hit. Play goes on, somebody touched the net on the side of the Lady Tamaraws.
Yung outside, halos wala silang pinalapag. Natapos na talaga sa violation.
Quick play, hindi gumana. Ubaldo backs it back, activated, but she was dug. Just a defensive masterclass being shown by these two teams right now. Ubaldo checking the defense. Ayaw talaga. Libero.
Ayaw talaga magpalapag, Jay.
Sige, tuloy lang. Si Munares ang nag-set. Bakake na naman. Rejected! Good job there by Aldea. Bakake one more time. Finally!
Phenomenal job there by Team Ubaldo. Trying to read the defense para alam niya kung kanino ibibigay
Nag-react agad si Aldea kanina
Oo.
Ang natin yung unforced error net ng Perpetual. 5.
Ang dami na actually. 5 points actually.
At Jay, 940 ng puntos natin yung
Actually, ni Coach Sandy na mas bilisan yung play kasi alam nila na mas, katatangkad tong players ng FEU.
3 straight points of that Perpetual Health timeout. And it's an ace. Ace na yan.
Kasi pag nagmamadali ka, parang natataranta ka lang. Nararatel ka
Ako tulad nun.
Ito na naman. Kapag lumamang ang kalaban, 14-8, 15-7, ina-ensayo namin yung malayo yung kalamangan ng kalaban.
This kind of encounter sa mga UAAP schools kahit sa ibang liga, kasama na natin yung Enderan. Diyan talaga mabubuo yung loob nila di ba?
Kasi before, nung sa amin, talagang nakakalaban namin yan Antibay ng Perpetual. Pero ngayon, para kay Coach Sandy, hindi lang to, basta pre-season tournament. Pinaghahandaan talaga namin at gusto namin kumuha ng panalo.
16 points of Perpetual.
5 points ang nakuha ng isang service ace at 4 na atake pa lang ang ginagawa. Kaya hindi mo yan marirealize. After game, after the set, doon mo sabi, ay, tinalo pala kami ng sarili namin. Yun yung mabigat Pagkakita mo, ay ganito pala karaming errors namin.
19-17, sharp serve coming from Razel Aldea. Difficult hit that time. Bakangke. Not yet. Sapin, ginawa ng paraan. Just sending it over. Sino kumuha ng second ball? Bedonia naka-atake. On the other side, Tapol. That one will go out.
You recognize the problem right there. Masyado sila nagigil galing sa net. Sinamahan pa ng service ace na yan.
That was long but well read right there coming from Marian Andal. Difficult hit from Tapol. Pero hindi natin nakita kung bakit gumalaw yung net
Siguro baka pag pag-landing na.
Pwede pag-landing rin ni Eliarina. Quick play, Bedonia was rejected. 2 blocks in this end of set. Very crucial, very important for the Lady Tamaraws. Play goes on. Eliarina, hindi nakabuelo. Set up, Ariola, punta sa gitna. Great hit. And set point na natin dito ang Perpetual Help. That ball is still alive, says the referee. Great save. No. Carry throws. Offhand. Di pwede magkamali ang FEU dito. Andal with a great reception. Back row. She was dug. Back set. Eliarina. Ayaw. Nabuhay ni Andal. Expect a free ball for FEU. Alberto will go to Medina. No good. One more time for the Lady Altas. Rejected by Eliarina.
Miss reception, it's an ace! Set point, FEU. Andal taking over the reception. Okado, that one is in, says the line judge.
Yun yan eh. Paunahan na lang makakuha ng 2 puntos. Yun na lang yan.
Eliarina was dug. Great dig coming from Jasmine Sapin. Sa kabila, Panangin ayaw gumana. Aatake ang Perpetual Help. Bunatang inabot ni Okado. Sabi ng mga referee, hindi umover.
Off the blockers lang.
Yun yung sibat.
Maraming salamat po. Hope you're enjoying. First set pa lang to ng ating first match ngayong araw na to. Bakangke fighting the open spot.
Kitang-kita niya ang area na yun.
Sharp serve coming from Nika Medina. Sapin will go to double. Who's rejected?
Ano eh, organized talaga. Sabi ko nga
Correct.
sa'yo kanina na hindi sila basta-basta nagre-react. Nagbabasa talaga ng maigi etong blockers ng FEU.
Coach, ang tatangkad ng mga FEU. Paano gagawin natin?
Ito, ang buhay naman ng solusyon na pinakita ni Dapol. Hinanap niya yung kamay. Ito ni Faida. Pag lumitaw yung kamay, tsaka nyo dun padaanin.
Diskartehan na talaga.
Diskartehan na talaga.
Kargado ang mga service ni Nika Medina.
Different variation ng combination niya.
Obaldo, back set. Nako. Seatmate sila ni Faida Bakangke.
Set para sa first set. Ngayon, Lady Altas naman.
Bedonia. Hindi madaan sa lakas. Bedonia one more time.
Yun lang, hindi siya nagresulta ng maganda.
Combination play. Great take by Obaldo. Another try of that free ball. Sapin to Mary Rose. Double. Nika Medina was there. On the other side, Bedonia is rejected.
Ngayon, ito, buhay naman ng black points para sa side ng Lady Altas.
Nadine, rather Bedonia finally gets the point. Walang fingertip. Made-deflect, diba?
Tsaka timing pa din.
Talk about timing. Nice read. Sapin to Bedonia again. Coverage, meron doon ng FEU. Meron din ng Perpetual Help. Andal to Omipon. No! Another try. Ball was touched. Here comes Kisha Bedonia.
Yun lang kasi yung receive, napunta dito sa kabilang area.
Retired at 7. Shaila Omipon is blocked. Good recognition. They need to send that one over. Obaldo to Bedonia again. Lumutang yung palo, pero puntos pa rin. Pero mo eh, diba? At the start of this set, you had a big lead. Pagdating ng first technical timeout, ayan, total history na yon. And now, you're struggling to look for your rhythm once again in order to claim the lead once again.
Parang kanina lang nung first set.
And the setter of the Lady Altas with that great serve. Nika Medina, sharp attack. Marian Andal was there. Back set. Mukhang di ready, Charmin Okado. Bedonia from the back row. Sapin with the chase. Shaila Omipon was rejected. Another try for the Lady Altas. Double from the back. Play goes on. Obaldo to Bakangke. She was dug. Tuloy ang play. Obaldo Bakangke. Second try. She was blocked. Point for the Lady Altas.
Kalahati na agad yung naibigay nila.
Oo.
Puntos. Umpisa pa lang ng set yan.
Bedonia is feeling it, but Marian Andal was there. Okado, dug by Bedonia. Obaldo will send it to Medina. No. Sapin. Omipon. Ayaw. Jao at the net. Play goes on. Medina sending it over. One more time for Okado. Just deflected by the net that time. Hindi nakaset up pa yung FEU. Middle. Dea!
So if anything, in this middle part of this game, kung meron kang positive na makikita dito as
EU.
And the thing here is, on those two previous plays, si Aldea lang yung tumatalon eh. At
Ito.
kanina pa siya talon ng talon.
Set 1.
Oo.
Ang haba nun.
Obaldo to Tagaod, who was recalled back in this game. Omipon this time, off the blockers. Shaila Omipon was...
dito, Jay De La Cruz, JB Sumagaysay, Kate Reyes. Sa FEU, ayun. Ayun na yun.
Si Caritrus na naman yung gumawa nun. Pagdating talaga sa mga late game, Caritrus, set number 1, yun yung ginawa niya. Dito sa set number 2 kaya, Chini Tagaod, that block was anticipated. Shaila Omipon, hinigop ni Mitzi Panangin yung atake ni Omipon.
Tibay talaga at naka-over sa kabilang net.
Oo. Great dive coming from Jazz Sapin. Another block. Hindi na nahabol ni Shai Omipon.
They need to take advantage of that. And it's an ace!
Point.
Back set. Dapol. Great hit coming from Mary Rose Dapol.
For ngayon, si Aldea pumunta na ng medyo big quick na differential lang na back quick.
Meanwhile, that's Jenny Tagaod with the serve. Punta si Sapit kay Bedanya! Ayun! Meron pa. Pero as much as possible, wag na mag-error.
Kailangan,
Idiin nyo na.
Idiin nyo na. Pull away pa.
Bedonia nasa harap. Great dig by Marian Nandal, who's just facing the defense here for perpetual help. Obando to Tagaod, back row. Sa soft attack. Bedanya again. Dapat nakakausapin niya, yung team captain talaga. Eh, nakaupo si Dea.
Si Dapol naman
Oo.
yan.
Good recognition. Tapol. No. Tagaod with the dig. Sending it to Bedonia. Ayaw pa rin. Saan pupunta si Ariola? Sa likod niya. Ball is still alive. Ubaldo to Bedonia.
Bukan mo yung mga ibang attacker mo. Kung ikaw yung attacker, ang ibig sabihin ng variation, gumawa ka ng ibang paraan. Strong serve! That is an ace!
Kinargahan na talaga niya.
Oo. Set point na tuloy. Ang perpetual. Ang dami nilang set point dito. Double contact pa. Or natawagan ng catch. Ito si Tito Baldo. And that... In this tournament, we welcome you to set number 3 again. Jay De La Cruz, JB Sumagaysay, Kate Reyes. At magse-set up ang FPO. Max Wangko, by the way, now on the floor for the Lady Tamaraos. Same guy still for perpetual help. Hindi na nahabol ni Mary Rose Dapol. Nasa loob rin si Jazz Eliarina starting this third set. Pati si Jercel Petalio para dito kay Coach Manolo Refugia. In the meantime, Mary Rose Dapol was dug. Ang lapit sa net. May drills din sa ganyan, di ba? Pag yung bola sobrang lapit na nasa net, di ba? May kanya-kanyang senaryo yan eh.
Lahat ng adjustment, ine-ensayo din.
Oo.
Opportunity na to eh. Tumalong ka na lang din eh.
Oo. Nandun ka rin, no? Nagsasorry ka naman.
Hindi. Kung naipuntos ko naman eh, bakit naman
Okay,
ako
oo.
sorry?
Inangkin mo na, di ba? Gumawa na para si Eliarina. Play goes on. Tapol. See that her shot was deflected. Tagaod. Ang lapit na naman sa net.
Yaos, diyan
Oo.
talaga. Ang lamang talaga dyan is kung sino yung mas maganda timing.
Oo.
Hindi kung sino yung mas matangkad.
Pumeke ng quick play. Akala ni Eliarina, quick play nga naman yung para kay Panangin. But play goes on. Petalio, strong hit. She was dug. Tapol. That one is still good, says our referee. That time, yun, siguradong hindi na.
Yan.
Wala pa yung tusok ng palo niya. Yun yung gusto niya mangyari.
Ito na naman yung mga depensa.
Pero sa women's, kailangan halos lagyan mo ng konting layo.
UE, panalo din. So, maghahanap parehas kung sino yung makakakuha ng pangalawang panalo nila para sa torneo to.
In the meantime, Ovaldo to tag out of that timeout. She was well defended that time. Another try for the Lady Tamaraos. Tag out. Second try. Ayaw. Great block.
Kasi yung connection nyo sa isa't isa, kailangan pulido. Kasi kung kanina, lahat ng atake nyo, puro A-quick, namumuntos naman. Bakit kayo mag-iiba ng diskarte kung effective naman yung ginagawa nyo?
Pumunta tuloy kay Umipon. But Jercel Petalio was there for the dig. Chen Tagao just keeping it simple. Ariola, pati si Krisha Cordero. That's replacing Sapin and Locado. Again, Coach Sandy trying to look for some connection. Hindi attacker si Max Wangko. Cordero just sending it through the blockers. Point for the Lady Altas.
Dahil nasa backline naman yung middle blocker, kaya balik sa loob si Max Wangko. In the meantime, Mitzi Panangin with a point.
Kala mo may bumabagsak na aparador.
Eliarina up front. Finally a point for Jazz Eliarina. Saktong patama lang.
Hindi mo na kailangan iiwas pa sa blocker. Patamain mo. Meron yung power na nga, nandyan.
8 attack points so far for the Lady Tamaraos in set number 3.
Jay.
Only Rice JV.
Hindi ako sanay na maririnig yung Anli Rice na yun sa women's Nako, doon ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa banding na yun.
Hindi naman mawawala yun, lalo na sa dito sa FA team na to. And also some recognition na, sige, may set 4 pa tayo eh. Baka pagkakataon na natin ipahinga.
I-relax mo muna.
But there's Mary Rose Tapol. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung kanyang palo dito. Ang lakas.
Papapasa, mapadepensa. Pasiksik talaga sa net yung bola nila.
Big play.
Nakapagbawas, nakapag-adjust sila. Kasi alam naman nila na sabi nga ni Kate kanina sa report niya.
Three so wide open. In the meantime, Omipon, nope. Enrico, nope. Cruz, Tagkaot, nope. Puntos na kay Chen yun.
Puntos naman.
So then you have that front line of Althea and Bedanya. Then you have Enrico on the other side.
Meron ka pang Umipon at Dapol.
Oo.
At hindi mo pwedeng hindi i-mention. Eto.
Kargado pa yung service. Gumawa ng paraan si Carrie Cruz. There's Cordero. Wangko was there. Agaod. Where will she go? She was rejected. Carrie Cruz just sending it over. Nope. Isa pa. Ang lapit sa net. Ubaldo naiset. Wangko to Tagaod. Jenny with the point.
Oh.
Kumpara dati na puro outside hitter yung mas maraming ball. Ngayon, puro opposite na.
Look at that swing from Chinny Tagaod.
Will be a step closer towards the victory here in their matchup. Umipon rather. Oy! Umipon! Nakalusot!
Agad siya kay Coach Nol.
Oo. Sino nga ba yung coach na nagsabi nun? Ba't kayo ginagamitan nyo ba ng telekinesis, di ba? Hindi aangat yan pag titignan nyo yan.
Si Coach Roger yun.
Roger
Parang kay
Graham.
Coach Roger natin naririnig yung mga ganong linyaan eh.
Wangko to Eliarina. Naku, ang lapit ng set. Nagawa ng paraan ni Eliarina!
Mali yung pwestuhan nila. Kaya nagkaroon ng opportunity si Eliarina.
In the meantime, Bola TV is our official live streaming partner. Set point ang FAU. Petalyo can't finish it yet. Sapin. Ang ganda ng palo ni Mary Rose Dapol. Number 4. Ganun pa rin eh.
Paano eh. At hindi lang yun. Palutong ng palutong pa yung
Oo.
palo niya.
Saan pupunta ang FAU? Wangko nagiging setter na. Petalyo. Soft touch. No. Ubaldo. One more time to Petalyo. Finally! Alam nila na hindi sila pwedeng magpabaya dito kasi pag nakuha ng perpetual help, lalo yung rhythm nila. Tapos nasa loob si Sapin ulit mamaya kung kasi Bedanya ang gagamitin dito. We'll see.
Kahit sabihin mo nang handun yung middle or outside, kapag mataas naman, kailangan habulin ng center.
And Jenny Tagaod. Oo. Enrico. Siya ang nasa loob ngayon.
Ito talaga na ni Coach Knowles, yun yung adjustment na ginawa na itong FAU.
Siguraduhin kong sa linyan, sa loob na ng court.
Nakatikit lang ang perpetual health. And a chance to tie it here. Umipon. Simple drop. Nagkagulo opensa ng FAU pero nakagawa ng paraan si Petalyo. Just sending it over. Nope. Wangko to Petalyo. Yes!
Hindi mga pupuntos dito sa FEU eh. Ace pa si Eliarina. Pwede magpatong-patong yan. Napasobra yung set. Nabasa ni Umipon yung gustong gawin ni Tin Ubaldo.
At isa pa, nakikita niya yung kapwa niya wing hitter na si Mary Rose Dapol. Lumalakas na yung palo. Aba, oras na para siya na rin gumawa ng paraan doon. That side will go to FAU. Somebody check the ball, says our first referee. Andal, sending it to Umipon. Ayan na, si Shaila Umipon.
Okay.
Saktong wala pang coverage doon sa likod ng mga blockers ng FEU. In the meantime, Chinny Tagaod with a strong hit.
So, parang ako na lang vice tiger dito.
Yun nga eh. Pero nakaisa naman kanina doon si Razel Aldea. At there's Charmaine Ocado. She's checked here in this matchup. Tapol, yes! Tin Ubaldo with a serve. Nasa harap sa FEU. Eliarina Tagaod Panangin. Sa kabila naman, Shai Umipon. Or rather, Charmaine Ocado this time ayaw pa rin. Tapol, rejected by Mitzi Panangin.
Kasi yung basa sa atake ng FEU, maganda.
Ocado still can't score. Tapol, alanganin. One-handers ginagamit mga players dito. Tagaud was rejected.
Nakita natin dito, perpetual help again mounting some block points in this set. But Mitzi Panangin having none of it.
Baldo. Nakita mo, ano eh, tinginan na lang talaga. Tinginan na lang. Alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin nilang kahit A-quick, B-quick yan eh.
Si Mitzi Panangin naman.
Napapagod na ako, talon na ako ng talon dito.
Oo. In the meantime, Cordero, that connection did not work. Isa pa, kay Petalyo naman, wala. Tapol, that hang time, almost producing a point. Tagaud, open spot! Opensa ng FEU. Eliarina, off the blockers, handed out. Hindi, nung nagbisto lang Sunday showcase dito.
Ilang sets ngayon?
Out of the 20 possible sets that can be played last Sunday, 19 was used. 19 were used.
Gamit na gamit.
Oo. Nice block!
Oh, they have all the confidence in the world. Bedanya!
Bumawi.
Na hinahanap dito ni Sapin sa ni Bedanya na kailangan nila each and every game. Talk about consistency as Eliarina scores again.
Pagbalik ng perpetual help sa Las Piñas, no, as Eliarina almost scored an ace right there. Pwede nilang gawin na extra work sa practice yan, ni Sapin sa ni Bedanya, di ba?
Totoo, pwede yun.
Perpetual help trailing by 6. Combination play doon sa sulok, hindi gumana. Omipon, left-handed swing, nope. Ubaldo backset, Eliarina, dug right there. Sabin, second ball attack, nope. Sinet pa, para sigurado kay Omipon na habol ni Wangko. Ubaldo, Pentalyo, no. Play goes on. Sapin to Omipon, not yet. Ubaldo to Eliarina, no. Oh, finally it's good.
At siya rin yung naging energy booster netong Lady Tamaraos.
Lalo na pag bumabudget na si Jazz Eliarina,
Oo.
lalo na pag nakakapunto siya, pasok pa yung down the line na yun. Strong serve. Omipon, no. Ang sikip. Gumawa pa ng paraan, puntos pa rin. A monstrous 9-point lead right now for the Lady Tamaraos. Omipon, Doug, Ubaldo, sending it over. Here's Omipon, second try, was rejected.
Pero yung efficiency sa atake, talaga makikita mo, pamuntos.
Look at that swing from Chinny Tagaod.
Third set.
Pati dito,
Eto, misreception na naman.
that's a block.
Misreceive.
Oo. Hindi pa nakuha ng maayos nun ni Jody Lozano, and that will do it. Floris Papa closing this match with an ace right there.